If cost price and loss percent are given in the question, then we can determine the value of selling price. We can determine the value of selling price. Okay, this formula is as selling price is equal to, if cost price and both are given, 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into multiply cost price. Okay, if cost price or here write, if determine the cost price, then we write, convert this formula in this form. Cost price is equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into selling price. Okay, this formula we can convert in this form. Okay, here on this basis I give you an example. If what is the cost price of an article was which is sold at loss of 25%. For रुपया 150. Selling price. Okay, find what is the cost price. Here selling price, on this selling price we get a 25% loss. So what is the cost price? Here cost price formula use this. Solution for cost price is equal to 100 divided by 100 minus loss 25%. Here write 25 and selling price 150. Okay, in this case we write here 100 upon 100 minus 25, we get 75 into 150. Okay, then this is very important question. Here 75 1 ja 75 2 ja. Okay, here we get रुपया 200 answer. This is the cost price. Cost price is 200 rupees, on which during the selling get 25% loss. On these methods we can determine the value of a cost price. If selling price and loss both are know about before, then we can determine the cost price. If cost price and loss both are given, then you can determine selling price by this formula easily. Okay, these types of